Hi everyone, thank you so much for such an amazing response to the previous videos. I am back again with yet another amazing video, although I couldn't be there in the video in the front due to certain issues. But yeah, the opportunities that I've brought for today are really amazing, and like all of them are one of its kind. So the first opportunity that we'll be going to discuss about today is McKinsey and Company. So McKinsey and Company is hiring its intern for 6 months in the location is Bangalore, and currently the third year undergraduate students pursuing BE BTech degree can apply for the same. And they haven't mentioned any branch specific like it should be from computer science or electronics branch, but they have just mentioned BE and BTech. So if you are from third year and you are from any branch, you can go ahead and apply for this particular internship at McKinsey and Company, and they have a very good stipend as well as other benefits while performing the internships. Right. So the second opportunity that we'll be going to discuss for today is LinkedIn coaching program. So LinkedIn coaching program is basically a mentorship program by LinkedIn through which they provide summer internship opportunities for female candidates. Basically, this program is focused for 2023 female graduates, like who will be graduating in 2023. So, what happens in this program is like you'll be mentored by top minds in the company. You'll be provided with self-learning modules. Like there will be a lot of networking opportunities. They will teach you how you prepare for your career opportunities, your interviews and presentation skills, and you will get an opportunity to interview for 2022 summer internship at LinkedIn. So what happens next when you register for this program is you will be getting a HackerRank test link, and after submitting that HackerRank test link, you will be given like you will be shortlisted, and after that you will be accepted into this program. This is such an amazing program. If you are a female candidate from batch of 2023, go ahead and apply for this particular opportunity. The next opportunity that I'm going to talk about today is Myntra HackerRank. So Myntra conducted this HackerRank competition in last year also for eligible for all, but this time it has come up with this program for particularly for women candidates. So if you are a female candidate and like you are from certain engineer like you're from engineering background, either postgraduate or undergraduate, this particular hackathon is for you, and through this hackathon you will be provided with PPI and PPOs, like pre-placement interviews and pre-placement offers through this hackathon. Like after you're shortlisted and you are in the top teams, then you will be given a chance to interview at roles for Myntra. So the Myntra has a package like CTC of around 24 lakhs per annum. So that is really very good if you're looking forward to software engineering roles. So you can see the process of what this hackathon is all about. There will be an ideation phase, then implementation and pre-finale. You can go through certain videos also on YouTube. You might get some information about the previous hackathon that they conducted for all. But you might get a certain idea. So go ahead and check out this program. Like you should be a BE BTech program currently in second, third, and fourth year, or you may be in MTech first or second year, and your dual degree third year, fourth year, or fifth year. So these are some of the basic criteria, and they have also mentioned that cross college teams are eligible to participate. So you can understand it well what they wanted to say, and you can also submit two problem statements, two different ideas for this particular hackathon. So I hope the things are clear, and you can like if you're a female candidate in your second year, third year, or final year, this particular opportunity is for you people. The next opportunity that I'm going to talk about is by Yugabyte. Yugabyte is one of the startups, and it's paying very good. Like it's hiring for the batches of 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017. But they have different like packages for different branches. When you talk about freshers hiring of 2021, so basically they are offering a package of 24 lakhs per annum. 24 lakhs per annum, and along with that there are certain ESOPs as well. So what I have heard of, it's close to 5,000 ESOPs. So this is one of the like most important opportunity for today. Like if you are graduating in 2021 and you're looking forward for a job opportunity in one of the major startups that is paying you very good, and like the learning curve would be also very great when you're talking about startups. So go ahead and apply for Yugabyte as well. You can look forward to the job description. Like all batches 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21 are eligible, and uh, the package is different, but for freshers it's close to uh, 24 lakhs per annum. So go ahead and apply for this as well. Like the fixed part is 24 lakhs. Like out of the total compensation, 24 lakhs per annum is fixed salary that you'll be getting. So go ahead and apply for Yugabyte. The next company that I'll be talking about is Accenture. So Accenture is back again with its control plus hack plus delete inequality hackathon. This is particularly for like what is the major aim of this hackathon is to have gender equality in all terms. So what they have, the major theme behind this is you should form a team in which there should be equal representation from both the genders, females and males. So go ahead and check out this particular hackathon, and by Accenture there are a lot of prize money, and like the basically the rounds that they have are both the coding rounds, and after giving these coding rounds you will be getting the complete shortlist of who are the winners, and this is open to all. The major theme and the thing that they want to consider in this hackathon is like you should be the team should be gender balanced, right? So this is a challenge by Accenture, so they conduct it every year. Next opportunity that I'm going to talk about today is business technology analyst profile of Deloitte. So they are hiring interns for business technology BTA profile. So this is basically for the batch of 2021. If you are looking forward to getting an opportunity at Deloitte through this business technology analyst position, so this opportunity is for you. And like they don't have a coding round in this test. They generally have an aptitude round, and after that you'll be given a jam round, like just a minute. You need to speak on one topic for around 1 minute. The next round would be a personal interview, and then you are hired for BTA profile at Deloitte. So this is basically some of the things that Deloitte keeps in mind when hiring for BTA profile. And this opportunity is available for referrals. If you're looking forward to get a referral from somebody who is working at Deloitte already, so you can go ahead and check out and ask them for giving you a referral for this particular. The next opportunity that I'm going to talk about today is by IndiaMart. So IndiaMart is hiring for its associate engineering testing, and eligibility is all BTech, BSc, MSc, MCA, freshers as well as experience. So you can send your profile or resume to the below mail ID, that is gauri.upadhyay@indiamart.com, and you will get a reply as like very early. You will get a reply if not many people have applied on the same day. So don't waste time. Go ahead and apply for this opportunity as well. Thank you so much for all the good responses that you people are giving, and I'm really very happy that you people are liking the content and looking forward to more and more such content. Do let me know in the comment section if you have certain queries, if you are looking forward to more such opportunities, like if you're liking the content. Thank you so much. Good luck. Bye bye. Thank you.